It's a 125 milliliter container. So it is pretty large. It's 4.2 fluid ounces according to the US. All right, so let's go ahead, open this up. Comes in this silver gray and black accented box. It signifies that it's a more intense version of the regular one. That's probably why they chose a darker color scheme. And inside, nothing unusual, just regular packaging. And here we come out with the classic design of the Isseymiyake perfumes. Most of their perfumes have this tall obelisk style conical design, and it's the same design language in almost all of their perfumes. So far, all of the ones I've purchased have been in exactly the same kind of bottle, minus a few alterations. Like when I had the Eau Bleu de Issey, it was having a silver cap and a blue bottle, but the shape was the same. The original came in the same exact shape, but obviously the color of the perfume was different, and this one is a little bit darker in color. The original was more of your typical, citrusy lemon color perfume with a silver top cap. This one has a black top cap. And I've used a sport version which looked very, very similar to this, but it had a blue line accentuating a sport version. So let's see how it, so now that I've shown you this perfume, let's see how it smells. I'm just gonna take the cap off and, oh, it is quite stuck. Oh, there you go. Looks like it was very tight actually. So let's spray it and see how it smells. This is definitely much stronger just from the get-go. Let's see what it smells like. I'm gonna share some information regarding the notes as well. So the top notes are kind of sweet and fresh with tangerine, bergamot, yuzu, and orange. Smelling the heart notes as blue lotus, cardamom, some saffron, cinnamon, and a little bit of camphor in there too. And if I'm not wrong, there's some nutmeg as well. Smelling it a little bit deeper, I can see there's some base notes of incense, amber, papyrus, gray amber, and benzoin. Excuse me for my pronunciation, I may be incorrect in pronouncing some of these, but so that's what it kind of feels like. It comes in both 75 milliliters and 125 milliliters bottle sizes, depending on how much you use. I always prefer the 125. I bought this on Amazon for about $28.19, which is a steal deal. I think the retail goes above $50 if I'm not wrong. But yeah, I'm gonna post a link in the description for you guys to check it out. Keep in mind, guys, Amazon links tend to change over time, so if it does not activate or go to the right page, do type in the name of the perfume on Amazon directly, and it should take you to the best selling option available. So yeah, and just to top it off, this is made in France, and I will be showing you how to check if the serial number is legit, and if it is having a shorter shelf life, you will be able to find out, because once you put in these serial numbers on that website, you can check when it was manufactured. And once you know that, you know if it has been sitting on the shelf for too long. Typically, if it's older than 5 years, it's pretty much lost its strength and intensity. So you gotta be watchful of that. These are gray market perfumes. You're not buying it from the retailer, you're not buying it from Sephora. So these are some things that you have to keep in mind. Also, guys, if you buy from Amazon, unfortunately, you cannot return perfumes. I tried to do that once, but it didn't happen. So be very, very careful. Actually try out the perfume yourself, and you gotta know where you're buying it from. And most of the time, 95% of the time, it'll be fine and you should not have any problems. So guys, this was the review of a brief look of the Eau d'Issey by Isseymiyake for Homme Intense. Thank you, take care, have a good day.